Look at that. What? Can you see that in the back? Sounds like a thunderstorm, but I'm going to harvest these string beans. And, using this as a touchdown. So beautiful. Look at the string bean. You know what? A set that I got from the dollar store. Even these cherry tomatoes. I snapped off another one. Yep, pick that up. I'll eat that. As you can see, so many are hitting. I'm sitting there being depressed, and I get caught up thinking about my loved ones that passed away. I'm trying to it's really working out. There it is. You can really see the plants and all these things are green. That's when he looks over. It's gonna seed. I wanted to seed another because I'll show you what I did. This is garlic. It's looking ready to get pulled. I'm gonna wait it out some more. Wow, look at all this stuff in this stack. Tomatoes. 4 string beans. Here it is. Oh yeah, I wanted something. It'll be tall though, so that you can have mullet. And just, even if it's just to touch the leaves.